Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of add in this like really cute heart video transition on CapCut PC. So you are going to kind of go to the part before like you transform, like using makeup or whatever. Go to effects and go to video effects, and you are going to select love. You can choose this one, but I'm just going to choose this one. And then you are going to kind of go to the frame when she changes, so like here, and you're going to then make it shorter so it becomes a video transition. But if you want to like add in another video transition to the video without the effect here, you can definitely do that by splitting it. Go to transitions and you can choose from these video transitions. Instead, there is a heart 1, 2 here, but as you can see, the heart shape is kind of like squished. So another way to do that I found better is to add the video on top like so, kind of like just a little bit. Then I'm going to go to the video, select mask, and select the heart shape instead. I'm going to make it as small as it can be, and then I'm going to add a keyframe, and then here I'm going to scale the heart like really big. So I might just do it like around this much, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!